Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to create multiple sheets in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel, and here you can see I open here the new Excel file. When you open any new Excel file, it's open with the one sheets. Okay. If you want to open the new Excel file with the multiple sheet, you can do one setting. Just go to the file tab, click on the options, and here you can see the Excel option dialog box is open. In General tab, you can see here the option when creating the new workbooks. In when creating the new workbooks, have one option, include this many sheets. Its default is 1. If you want more sheets, just click on this arrow and you can add it easily. You can enter manually also. So I enter here the 10 sheets. Okay, then click on OK. That's it. Now I use the shortcut key ctrl+n to open the new worksheets. Okay, here you can see the new Excel file is open with the 10 sheets. See, total 10 sheet. Again, I use the ctrl+n. Again, open the new Excel file, same as the 10 sheets it's added. Okay, so this is the way you can add the multiple sheets quickly in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.